Mr. Martelly, thank you very much for being with us. Can you explain to us what you're doing here today in Montreal?
First of all, thank you for having me, Tamy. It's a pleasure to be here and being able to answer a few of your questions. I'm visiting the Haitian communities, different Haitian communities in the diaspora, so they can know a little bit more about my views, about what's making me to take such a big decision, make such a big decision with my life. I think they have a say, because in order to succeed, this cannot be a one-man thing anyways. It has to be a movement.
And speaking of creating a movement, there's a lot of Haitians here in Montreal and in Quebec who are very well educated, who have many resources. How do you see yourself integrating them into the reconstruction of Haiti using their knowledge and their expertise?
Well, I've been thinking about these Haitians all along. First of all, most of them left Haiti because there was no opportunity for them. And we know most of these people. We need people, we need experts right now. We don't need people who's going to have nice speeches. We don't need people who are after power. We don't need people who just want to lead and not knowing the complexity of the situation. We need experts. Everything is to be done, is to be built in Haiti. So we definitely need these Haitians here who are well educated and ready to serve their country.
What is your expertise for this position?
I guess my best expertise, just to make a joke, is knowing that I need people around me. You need a team of experts to support you. No one man can do this job. But on a more serious note, I will say that I need to be that inspirator that the people of Haiti need. Because right now we are lost as a people. We have lost our dignity, our pride. We have lost basic concepts like sharing, compassion, loving, community, living like a community. They're talking about planes. Everybody has a plane. As a matter of fact, if you don't have a plane, you can buy a plane, you can pay someone to come and ride you a plane. But you need to understand the complexity of the situation. What's the need for the international community to come down to Haiti and put up nice buildings, nice hospital, nice schools, and first riot in 2 months and everything is destroyed? What's the need to build them if they might be destroyed within the next 2 or 3 months? We need to change our attitude first. As a matter of fact, we need to be trained. We need to be guided, and that's what I intend to do. Because in order for you to be a great leader, the people must trust you. They must like you. And you must have the moral authority to take them where they ought to go, although that might not be where they wanted to go, but because they trust and believe in you, they will follow you, they will suffer with you.
But I understand the importance of changing the attitude, but before asking people to change their attitude, I think what they want to know is if they're going to have a roof on their head. There's still 1.5 million people who are homeless in Haiti. And for that, you do need a plan. So concretely, what is the plan that you're offering to rebuild Haiti, and how is it different from your competitors?
I will tell you that since the earthquake, things have not changed much. And we have gotten some money from the international community. Nothing has been done. It's not because we don't have money. It's because there is lack of good faith. It's a political situation. These people are being used right now. They're not protesting.
But not only good faith, good administration.
Good administration.
So what is your plan for this, to administrate this country and rebuild it?
Let me tell you. You're talking about people under the tents. We have NGOs who have, for instance, Habitat for Humanity. They have a plan to build like 1,000 homes. They have the money, they have the homes. All they need is the land. They can get the land. And I think it's a bad gérance des affaires from the Haitian government, because there's an emergency here and we need to build homes.
So what is your solution to this?
First of all, get into it, sign the papers, identify the land, make sure that these lands are are not agricultural land. They're not in a position where they can be where there's floodings and stuff. And then you identify the proper land and you make a deal with these NGOs and you let them build the land. It's much easier than you think.
So I quickly want to talk to you about international aid. Some people argue that we should stop fostering the culture of dependence that is paralyzing Haiti. Citing examples such as China, that's a country that has not received much aid and yet they have seen some good improvement. But on the other hand, without international help, Haiti seems to be spiraling down and collapsing. What is your take on this? Should international help keep giving this money?
Without international help, Haiti will collapse. But I also think that the international community should should enforce the need to change the structure, because it's like by just giving the money without the proper structure, it's like they're wasting their time. They're throwing the money away. They must enforce. Is that enforce? They must change the way things are being done in Haiti. They must ask for a new structure. We must implement a new structure in Haiti before they even give the money. They need new leaders. They need people they can trust. They need to identify the right people, because corruption is legal in Haiti right now. You do anything you want with the state's money, nobody's coming after you.
So the next flight was like 7 o'clock. I was like, I'm just dropping back in Canada.
Canada has promised $550 million to help Haiti since the earthquake. Are you familiar with any of the sources of financing that are coming from Canada to rebuild Haiti?
I'm not familiar with it.
Okay.